Hi, welcome back to Backup World. Today we'll learn about SMB security configuration in Rubrik. So SMB security with SMB security feature in RSC, Rubrik cluster can provide security for SMB shares by requiring Active Directories authentication. So Rubrik cluster requires SMB security to ensure security of live mount of SQL databases, Hyper-V snapshots, managed volumes using SMB protocol, and bare metal recovery. So prerequisites for SMB security configuration, we need port 53 UDP, 88 TCP UDP, 389 TCP, 445 TCP, and 464 TCP between Rubrik cluster and Active Directory servers. And we need domain of fully qualified name of the server for the Active Directory name. And username is service account on this domain, and password for that service account. Domain controllers, these are Active Directory servers in the domain, and computer account name, which is unique name in the Rubrik cluster to use in AD domain, and organization unit, which is optional. Uh, this is again the name of the organization unit to which the computer account belongs to. So the organization unit can be provided by AD team. And to configure SMB security, log into RSC, navigate app tray settings. So once click on settings, we can see here data sources under can search data sources. So once we search data sources, we can see access credentials. Click on access credentials here. So once we click on access credentials, we can see SMB security. Under SMB security, we can see all the clusters and domains which we have already added into Rubrik. So for those domains, we have to add uh, Active Directory details like service account name, username, password, AD server name, and all. So to provide the details, we have to select domain name to which we are providing the details. Click on that three dots and click on authenticate. Once we click on authenticate, we can see this screen, domain name, host name, and cluster name, host name, and the service account name, username, password, and AD name, computer account name, organization unit. All these details we should fill and authenticate. Once we authenticate, it will get configured. We can see this option configured. So that's it, SMB security. Thank you.